This is a demonstration of the starts with method of a string. So strings are an object in Python, which means that they can have methods associated with any string that you happen to create that will work with them by using the dot notation. So let's take a quick look here at the program. So we've got a loop, and I've put together something called my sentence, which is just the quick brown fox. I printed out at the top. You can see here I've already run this part of it, printed out quick brown fox. And then we ask the user, enter a word to search for at the beginning of the sentence. So obviously we can see that the is there. So let's try typing in the. And it reports that the sentence starts with the. Okay, so here I'm looking for the word quit. I didn't enter that. I would break out of the loop and end the program. But otherwise, I look at my sentence, and then I say starts with my keyword. My keyword was what came back from the entry there. So it sees if this keyword is at the beginning of the sentence. Now this is case sensitive. So if I put in over here, since we're looping, I do it again. If I put in a lowercase the and I hit enter, it says that it does not start with the because it needed a capital T to have a match. And if I use any other word, like I just say quick, because that's near the beginning, but it does not start with quick. Quick is the second word. Okay, so now likewise we can put the word quit in and end the program. So let's look at the ends with now. And so I brought in a new program here called ends with, and now it says enter a word to search for at the end. And down here, if we don't enter quit, I'm looking for ends with. So I want to see if it ends with something. So let's go ahead and do the positive case. We can see quick brown fox. Again, fox, I evidently capitalized it here, so I'll put in the capital and it says, yes, it sees fox. I could even do two words, brown fox, and we find it. It does end with brown fox. I could put the quick brown fox. It wouldn't matter as long as it's completely at the end. Now if I did something different, like put in brown 1 2, I put an extra space in there, it says it does not end with it because it doesn't know where you have two spaces. Likewise, if I put any other word like brown, it's not going to find it. It does not end with brown. Okay, so that's it. We'll quit the program, and that's it for a short demo on how to use the starts with and ends with methods that work on strings.